one more Samsung related thing. I'm going to show you a really nice looking RAM module right now,
Okay.
right there. This is a 512 GB DDR5 RAM module at 7,200 megabits per second.
Hmm.
Uh, 512 GB DDR5. That's one RAM module. You're not impressed.
Oh, I've never seen this before. Like
I like that the curve is what got your attention.
yeah.
Not the
Just looking at it aesthetically, I don't.
not the 512,
Performance, nah.
not the 512 GB. I'm just saying that's insane, is it not?
Yeah, it's crazy. Do they have to have this curve here to
That's right.
make it performance heavy? That's what
Samsung
I'm
announced
wondering.
a new module capable of transfer rates up to 7,200 megabits per second, built using high K metal gate technology. This is what you need, what you want. Very exciting. Switching to a high K dielectric means Samsung has adopted a new material replacement for the silicon dioxide gate dielectric it previously used. This new material, Intel used hafnium in 2007, has a higher dielectric constant value than the silicon dioxide Samsung likely used previously, which means it leaks less current at the same thickness.
Hmm.
Wow. This extreme tech article pulls no punches because it gets right into the dielectric.
Yeah, very extreme.
Anyway, you have a nice chart here. Performance improvements, obviously, and capacity improvements. I don't even know what a chip like this would go for, but you can see when they're advertising DDR5, or at least showcasing it in this particular chart, they're showing modules up to 64 gigs. So this is some exotic module that we're seeing here. But I thought, I mean, it was just a throwback for me having built a variety of PCs to imagine a single module. I mean, it's like that's a half terabyte of RAM
Yeah,
on a stick. You know what I'm
this curved stick.
saying?